emerges as a key hub for AI-led mortgage operations as Moda scales global delivery. Over 7,400 employees in 5 years, Moda strengthens its India operations amid rising demand for efficiency in financial services. Bengaluru, 30th April 2026. Moda, a tech-enabled outsourcing firm serving the mortgage, banking, and insurance sectors, is expanding its AI-led capabilities in mortgage operations, with India emerging as its largest delivery hub, as financial institutions increasingly focus on reducing costs and improving turnaround times.
This morning and saw
Founded
that
in
one of the leading
2021,
IT firms
the company
in
has
India
grown to over 7,400 employees globally, including more than 5,000 in India, and supports over 65 clients across key financial services markets. As lenders navigate rising cost pressures, evolving regulatory requirements, and the need for faster loan processing, mortgage operations are undergoing a shift from manual, document-heavy workflows to more standardized, technology-led systems. Moda is aligning its operating model to this transition by combining domain expertise, global talent, and automation to streamline processes across the mortgage lifecycle, including loan origination, underwriting, servicing, and customer operations. To support this shift,
the commitment to excellence and the level of intellectual rigor that I've found with the workforce in India and the people that aspire to build something for themselves, build something for their country, and really build something for the world here in India. And so we had the opportunity in 2021. We knew that we wanted to do something in the U.S. mortgage industry, and that's really our heritage. It's an industry I've been involved in for most of my career, and that's true for a lot of the leadership team that's here on stage, and then also not on stage, but of course working around the world. We started small with one customer, and we really focused on getting it right for that customer. We built a team in India, a team of operations experts, a team of engineers, and the whole goal was to help our customer reimagine how they were delivering their services and their products to their own customers in the US by combining technology and operations in an agile way and in a different way. And
relationships and domain expertise to support its clients to differentiate themselves, but also by the team, not only those on the stage, but people who we get to work with every day, who what I would call make the Motor magic happen, and it's just been an incredible journey. My role at Motor, I handle a lot of the functions, shared services functions behind the scenes. For example, human resources, the legal, HR, and risk compliance, things like that, just to help operate the business from the back end and to help some of my colleagues here on stage to make sure that from an operations perspective, we can provide the best customer service possible. So that's a little bit about me, and I'm just really happy to be here.
I'm EVP Operations for Moda. Well, at least operations is my primary job. I do a few other things with the company as well when I have a little more time. I've been with the company for 4 years. I just celebrated my 4-year anniversary over this weekend. Celebrated it by doing a motorcycle ride up to Ooty. And my journey at Moda has been somewhat similar as well. We've built an incredible operations team worldwide. Primarily pieced together with people who've been doing this for a very long time. I've been in the industry for about 25 years, built large teams in other companies. So we've been able to leverage our network to build out a very strong team that's allowed us to, grow to the size that we have. I think what really differentiates us from, other folks who do this type of work is that we never shy away from doing very hard work. We take on the...
And thanks for being here. My name is Anish Korla. I am the Chief Technology Delivery Officer for Motor. And I take care of making sure that all the technology work we do for our clients are delivered successfully. And we work with the clients who are very highly regulated. They work with high regulations. And as everybody starts and talk about AI, as enterprise start to think about AI more and more, they are consuming more data. So we have to make sure that we are working with the client to help get all the data at the right place. So we are doing a lot of cool stuff with our clients on getting the data consolidated so that can be used. At the same time, as enterprise think of consuming more AI, they are leveraging more of GCP, they are leveraging more of Azure, they are leveraging more of AWS. We are helping a lot of clients on platform modernization, whether it's moving to cloud, whether it is moving to better platform that can be able to leverage AI better. At the same time, leaving technology aside, just to get all the business mindset, just to get all the modeling done for the future, it is giving us an opportunity to do a lot of system integration work. And that's what we are focusing with a lot of our clients on, building the future for our services. And there's a lot of more cool stuff to do in future. And I'll be open for any questions you have. Thank you very much.
My name is Giri. I've been with Modern from day one. In fact, I joined before Modern was established. When I joined, I think our company was in a restaurant. We don't even have the name of the company, right? So I was sitting with the consultants when they were asking, would you like to join a company, which is going to be established by the CEO, Eric Anderson? I said, what's the name of the company? They said, yet to be decided. So where is our office? Is it going to be Bangalore based or is it like Delhi based? No, we are yet to, waiting for the RBI registrations and the other requirements. So what are we going to do in the next 5 years or 2 years? We are planning. We want to grow big. How it's going to be different from other organizations, which is already established in this market. We are going to be the disruptor in the market. You would see the result. And that day, I didn't know I didn't have any answers. But when I look back now and see what we have achieved in the last 5 years, 5,000 employees from less than 5 employees to 5,000. It's a tremendous growth. I think the support what we got it from this geography, right? The first 100 hires is very, very crucial for us, where we have to demonstrate our capability that we can be the leader in this market, in the space, right? And that's what we promised to our client. As Roshan said, right now, the high quality of service what we wanted to provide. And I think this geography has provided the right talent for us, and we were able to establish our credibility in the market within a short span of time. Growing 75 clients or 65 plus clients in the span of 5 years is like, we are talking about 13 clients.
Okay, very good. Eric Anderson, President and CEO of Motor. I've been coming to India, as I said, since 2010. I've been to India about 30 times. I've been all over the country, everything from famous sites like the Taj Mahal in Delhi and Mumbai to lesser known places down in the south of India and the far north of India. So incredible experience. I've worked with countless thousands of people in India over the past 16 years, and I've just come to develop a real appreciation and love for the country, for its culture, for its people, and also for its food, which I always enjoy when I come. You just can't get the same kind of food when you're in the US. Again, we started Motor 5 years ago. Before that, I ran another company. It was a subsidiary of a publicly traded company called First Source that's owned by Sanjeev Goenka and his family. So got to spend some time with Sanjeev. Earlier in my career, I'm a trained accountant and attorney. So I bring that same level of rigor to the work that I do every single day. I'm detail oriented. I'm focused on P&L impact. I'm focused on making sure that the decision process is correct. And so when I'm working with my leaders or working with people who are new into the company, I'm very, very, very focused on understanding their process to assimilate information and make a decision, right? I'm less concerned about the decision itself. I'm more concerned about how they arrive at that decision. That I care very much about. And one of the things that I think has really drawn me to India over and over again over the years is the quality of decision-making process. I think so often in the Western world, we focus more on just the right decision, and if it's the right decision, then there's no kind of retrospective. And what I appreciate about India, and what I appreciate about its people, and what I appreciate about its work culture is there's just a real emphasis on understanding the actual process of the decision and getting to and making sure that that process is thorough, and getting ultimately that process leads you to the right decision if your process is right. And so again, been coming for 16 years, appreciate the culture, appreciate the people, proud of what we built in India, proud of all the good people we have here in Bangalore, about 2,000 people in Bangalore, another 3,500 people around the country that do incredible work for our customers in the US every single day. And just excited for what the future holds here in India and what the future holds for Motor in the US and as we expand outside of the US as well. So thank you again for your time. Great meeting all of you. Really enjoyed it today.